Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to animate image in Shotcut. So animate an image in Shotcut can add a lot of flair to your project, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can do it. So the first thing you have to do is open your Shotcut, then load your video image file by dragging it to the timeline. Then seize the apply size position filter. So click the image in the timeline. To select it, go to the filter tab, then click the plus icon or plus button to add a new filter and select size, position and rotate for you to do that. Then after that, in the filter panel, you will see an option to adjust the size, position and rotation. Then click on the keyframe button to open the keyframe panel. Then after that, move the playhead to the starting point in the timeline where you want the animate to begin. Then adjust the image position size and rotate and add a keyframe by clicking the keyframe button. And after that, then move the playhead to the end point of the timeline where you want the animation to end and adjust the image to its final position, and also rotate and add another keyframe. After that, you can add an additional keyframe in between the start and the end point to create more complex animation, and also adjust the timing and movement as needed.